What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna go over a Bitcoin higher time frame analysis with you guys. I would say let's hop into the charts and see what Bitcoin will do the next months. Let's go. Okay, here we are guys on the weekly chart. My long-term analysis I always do on the weekly chart. And back in November, December, when we were in this chop zone, I was posting on my Twitter that I will wait for the move to the 200 EMA, as you can see here in red, and it exactly happened. And now I put my money where my mouth is. I bought a lot of Bitcoin right here at the 200 EMA. But the thing is with long-term investing, guys, I'm not trying to buy the exact bottom. I don't care about the exact bottom. I know that in 5 or 10 years, Bitcoin will trade at way higher prices because I believe in it long-term. And that's why I bought the 200 EMA with my first batch. Now, why am I thinking this, guys? We can look at past patterns that happened, and with that we can make a conclusion and see, is it possible that Bitcoin will trade higher or will it trade lower? So I have this simple comparison from 2022 when the bear market started. We dumped all the way, we touched the 100 EMA here in purple, we bounced a bit, and then we went lower below the 200 EMA. And you can compare it right here, guys. It's very similar. We dumped to the 100 EMA like we did here. We had this bounce up to the 50 EMA, and then we dumped below the 200 EMA, exactly as in 2021. And we can definitely see some patterns here that are very similar. So now what am I doing, guys? It's always important to have a plan and to know in advance what will you do. I knew in advance that I will buy a shit ton of Bitcoin at the 200 EMA, since long term it will always be a good price to accumulate. Now, we either have marked the bottom already and we will do this and then trade higher in the coming months, coming years. Always have a long-term outlook, guys, if you buy spot, if you buy long-term. But my ideal scenario would be, we have a little bounce right here, get the hopes high of people, and then we take out these lows again, trade into the 50K to 60K range and then continue higher. Does that matter for my buys right here? Am I panicking? No, guys. I bought at a good price long term. I don't care if it dips lower. If we go lower, I will of course buy more. If we take out this low, I will buy another big batch of Bitcoin and I will just buy it and forget about it, guys. That's how you should treat your long-term investments. You invest into things that you believe in. If you believe in these things, if they are solid, and you can for sure know that at some point in time, will it be 5 years, will it be 10 years, will it be next week, it doesn't matter. At some point those things will trade higher than they do now. So that's why it's important to pick good assets that you believe in, that you know stuff about, and that you not try to time the exact bottom, because most of the times you will get wrecked. And yeah, you have to be fine with being in short-term drawdown, since the short-term drawdown, guys, is the fee that you pay for the long-term gains. And that's very important, and that's how I treat my long-term investing. And that's how I will play Bitcoin, guys. I bought a lot of here. I will still accumulate monthly with some dollar cost average price. And if this scenario would happen that we dump to the 50 to 60K range, I will buy extra next to my monthly buys. And that's how I treat my Bitcoin buys, guys. It's very simple and long-term outlook. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and follow your plan as always, guys. So that's my long-term outlook, guys. If you liked it, like, subscribe. If you're interested in getting coached by me, getting into my group, then message me on X. All the links are down below, guys. We can talk about trading. Yeah, I hope to see you there, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.